Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of DSA for placement purposes. My name is Puneet Kansal. I have 12 years of experience to train the student for product-based companies. So in this series, we are covering the complete DSA, covering all the important topic of DSA. And in every session, we are taking the problem from product-based company. So this series will be really helpful for those people who are thinking, okay, dreaming about to get placed in product based company. Maybe not today, maybe after 1 year, 2 year, after 5 year, you need to think, you need to switch to the product based company. To switch to the product based company, then we cannot skip the round of DSA and system design. So this series is about preparing you for the data structure and algorithm. We are taking the problem from the product based company in every session, and taking the basic concepts also in every session. So this series is helpful for the freshers as well as the advanced learner. Freshers can also join this series because in every session I'm covering the basics also with the help of a quiz actually. Like today, I will be taking the very nice questions related to the array. And if you can answer those questions, your base is ready for product-based company. Okay, and then you can try for the product-based company. After giving today's quiz, if you feel comfortable, then that means that okay, your base is good at array particular array topic today. And even if you are advanced learner, you will get benefited because I'm taking product based company problems. Fine, okay, before moving on, please write in the comment section if I'm properly audible or not. Please confirm me. Meanwhile, let me share my screen. So anybody please confirm me if I'm properly audible or not so that we can move on. Meanwhile, let me tell you, okay, about this series once again. So this is the fifth session in this series. Although this session is independent of previous sessions, no prerequisite for any of this series session actually. Okay, I have designed the sessions such that you do not need to you do not need to know anything earlier. Okay, you just come, enjoy the session, learn the things, and just go. Today we will cover the array. So in array actually, I will be covering the basics of the array with the help of the quiz. Basics of the array will be covered with the help of quiz. You can check one thing that okay, if you can answer the all the questions in the quiz, then your base is ready for product based company. Okay. And another thing we are covering here is the one problem from the Meng. And the problem is will be very interesting actually. It's a game type of problem I'm taking so that session also become interesting, and we learning also happens. Both things happens. Please write in the comment section if I'm properly audible or not so that we can move on. If you want to check out the previous sessions, then you can go to the description, and in the description you can register for this course. This course is free of cost. You will get all the material related to this series. So you can register yourself for this course. This course is free of cost. Definitely this will benefit you in long run. Definitely this will benefit you because these sessions are covering the Mang problems. Okay, we are covering the Mang problems. Definitely this will prepare you for the product based company or Mang company, and your base will also be ready. Please write in the comment section if I'm properly audible or not and screen is visible or not. Thanks Karthik for confirming. Thanks Rankat Stocks. Thanks Srijit. Fine, okay. So we have already covered this motivation to study DSA, time and space complexity, for loop-based program, for recursive codes, asymptotic notation. Today we are covering the array. And in the future sessions, we will cover the bitwise operators, recursion, searching techniques, sorting techniques, linked list, hashing, stack, queue, tree, binary search tree, graph, greedy, dynamic. So in every session, there will be a quiz, and the quiz will be having the very important questions. Through the quiz, you can make sure that okay, your base is ready, and you can note down those quiz questions. Okay, and you can note down these. You can take, if you want the material of previous sessions also, you can register for this course. So let's start with this particular session. Let's start with this array topic, and I'm starting with the Microsoft game over here. It's a problem from Microsoft, which is a type of game only. Okay, so we'll just enjoy it without worrying about too much about the problem. Just let's enjoy the problem. So here is the problem. Problem is like this. We have some number of bottles we have which are filled. Okay, here we have 9 bottles with us. Here we have 9 bottles with us which are full of water. Fine. And we want to drink as maximum bottles as possible. So they just provide us number of bottles, and we want to drink as much bottle as possible. But one more condition is there. Once we drink the bottle, for example, if I drink all these bottles, the bottles will become empty. One more thing is there, we can exchange the empty bottles. For example, here in this case, in this example, we can exchange 3 empty bottles with 1 filled bottle. Okay, we can sell 3 empty bottles, and we can purchase 1 filled bottle. Okay, and this thing we can keep repeating. This thing we can keep repeating. So we need to find out how many maximum bottles we will drink. If total number of bottles given is 9, and number of empty bottle I need to give, I need to exchange to get a filled bottle is 3. Okay, so please reply in the chat box how many maximum bottles I will drink in this case. Please reply whatever is coming to your mind. The question is like this. I'm repeating the question. We have some filled number of bottles, and in this case that is 9. Fine. Okay, and I want to drink as much bottles as possible. Definitely I can drink these 9s, and after that I can sell these empty bottles, and I can again purchase the filled bottle. And the question is how maximum bottles we can drink. So Karthik says that here 13, and Rankat Stocks says that 12. So if I drink, initially I will drink 9 bottle, fine. And after drinking 9 bottle, then empty bottle I have with me is 9 only. Okay, 9 bottle I drink, and 9 will be the empty only because I drink 9 bottles. So after drinking 9 bottles, I can sell these bottles. We can sell these bottles. So let me sell these bottles. So if we sell these bottles, for every 3 bottle, I will get 1 filled bottle. So for total 9 empty bottles, we will get 3 filled bottle. So we can drink these 3 also. And after drinking these 3, this will get converted into the empty. Okay, this will be empty bottles. Again, I can purchase at least 1 bottle from here. 1 bottle can be purchased from 3 bottles. So this is given to us, number of exchange. This is given in number of exchange. So 1 more bottle we have with us, we can take that, and this will become empty. Now we cannot sell it, although we have 1 empty bottle, but minimum we require is 3 to purchase 1 filled bottle. Okay, so we will stop over here. And how many total bottle we have drink is 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1, 13 bottles we drink actually. 13 bottles we drink in this case. Okay, let me change it little bit. Let me change it. Let's see if you can answer this question or not. Let's suppose we have not 9, we have 10 bottles. We have 10 filled bottles. Then how many maximum bottles you will drink? If you have 10 bottles with you initially, Initially number of bottles are 10 and you can exchange 3 empty bottles with 1 filled bottle. Okay, one last question from here, then we will try to quote it. You have 10 filled bottle with you. Let's see how many people will reply right way. So Rama Prasad, you are right. Ishi, you were right for the previous one. For this one, let's see. Okay, how many people will give the right answer? You have 10 bottles, 10 filled bottle. And how many maximum bottle you will drink? If you have total number of bottle 10, not 9. Not 9. So definitely you will initially you will drink 10. Yes. So Rama Prasad again says 13. So let's say if he is right or wrong. He's saying that okay, still you will drink 13 bottles. Let's see. So we have 10 bottles. Okay, let me make one more bottle. Okay, over here. So we have 10 bottles. We drink 10 bottles. Fine. Okay. And now we have empty 10 bottles. Yes, we have empty 10 bottles. Now we can convert these empty bottle into the filled bottle. How many filled bottle I will be having? So I have 10 empty bottle. So these are the bottle. Okay, I have drink. I drink 10 bottles and empty bottle I have now is 10. So how many filled bottle I will get? Simply I will divide 10 by this number of exchange. 10 empty bottles we have, 10 empty bottles. So 10 divided by 3 is 3. So 3 filled bottle we will get. Actually, we will sell the 9 bottles. We will sell the 9 bottle. One bottle will be left. One empty bottle will be left. How many empty bottle will be left? One empty bottle will be left. And how many filled bottle we have? 9 filled bottle we 3 filled bottle we have. So 3 we can drink. And 3 we can drink. Then we have 3 empty also. 3 plus 1 previous one. 3 plus 1. So 4 empty bottles we have. Again, how many bottle I can purchase? 4 divided by 3, that is 1. And 1 empty bottle I have. So I can drink this also. And 1 empty bottle now this, and 1 empty is this. So at the end, we have 2 empty bottles. At the end, we have 2 empty bottles. And total number of, how many total number of bottles we have drink? 13 plus 3, 10 plus 3, 13 plus 1, 14. 14 we have drink. And how many empty bottle we have with us? 2 empty bottles we have in this case. Okay, so Rama Prasad, might be you are thinking that okay, you are adding 9 still. You are adding 9 in place of 10. Initially we are having 10 bottles now, so we will drink 10 only. We will drink 10 only. Okay, fine. Okay, so this problem is very easy to code. Actually, let me code it over here itself. You please help me in this. So we need to find out how many bottles we will drink. Okay, initially, let me define. I'm saying that okay, I'm taking a variable drink. I'm saying that okay, I'm not drinking anything initially. Initially, I have drink 0 bottle, and number of empty bottle I have, that is also 0. Initialize both these variable to 0. Now see, every time I need to, I will drink the filled bottle, and that will become empty, and I will purchase the filled bottle from the empty bottle. Again, I will do the same thing I will repeat. I will drink the filled bottle and sell the empty bottle. That's it. This is the 2 things I will do again and again. So let's do it until unless we were not left with any filled bottle. We will keep doing this thing. So until unless we are not left with any filled bottle. So number of filled bottle right now we have 9. Okay, so I can write until unless number of bottles or filled bottles is greater than 0. If number of filled bottles still we have, we will drink it. We will count it. Otherwise, uh, otherwise, so we will, if number of filled bottle we have, we will count it. Okay, we will keep rotating inside the loop. Okay, so number of filled bottle until unless we have. So this is the number of filled bottle initially we have. Fine, okay. Now, so I want to calculate how many bottle I will drink. So let's start from the very beginning by taking this example itself. Let's try to code it. Initially, I erase everything. Fine, okay. So initially I have 9 bottles with me. Let me write the code once again. So I want to count how many bottle I have drink. Initially I have drink 0 bottle, and empty bottle also I have 0. I need to keep record of empty bottle also. So until unless I have filled bottle, until unless I have filled bottle, I will keep rotating the loop. So initially I'm drinking nine bottles. So I'm adding these 9 into my drink variable. So let me add it. How many bottles I have, filled bottle I have, I simply add them, because I will drink all of them. Definitely I will drink all of these bottles. So we drink all the initial filled bottle, that was 9, so we add 9. Fine, okay. And how many empty bottle now we have with us? Empty bottle. So how much number of filled bottle we were having, that much empty bottle we have actually. That much empty bottle. So same this much. Same this much. Okay. Any doubt is coming to your mind, you please ask me. Okay. Any doubt is coming, please ask me. So empty bottle right now I have 9, and filled bottle I have 9. Okay. Now after that, what we are doing, we are just selling these empty bottles to purchase the filled bottle. So let me see. Okay, now how many filled bottle I have? Number of bottles. Number of bottles. How many I have? I will just, how many filled bottle I can purchase from this empty bottle? Just take all the empty bottle, divide it with the number of exchange. Number of exchange. Okay, so in this case that will be 9 divided by 3, and we will get 3. Number of filled bottle will be 3. Number of filled bottle will be 3. Okay, and so we sell the empty bottles, and we purchase the filled bottle. Now there might be a case that, okay, still we are left with some empty bottles. Maybe, for example, if we have the total number of bottles, we have 10, then if we divide 10 by 3, then we get 3 filled bottle. How many bottle we actually we sell? 9 empty bottle we sell. 9 empty bottle we sell. Okay, one bottle still left. So whatever is the, we need to find out how many bottles are left, how many empty bottles are left. So that can be find out simply divide by, if I'm making 10 mod 3, if I'm taking 10 mod 3, then whatever will be the remainder, that many bottles will be left over here actually. So in this case, remainder will be one bottle will be left. Okay, we do not sell one bottle. If we total number of bottles were 10, then we sell 9 bottles, because every 3 bottle can give me a filled bottle. Okay, every 3 bottle can give me a filled bottle. So one bottle will be left. How I can find it? By just taking simply reminder. By taking the mode with 3, I can find out, okay, whatever will be the remainder, that will be that much number of empty bottle will be left. Maybe later on I can add them in my present number of bottles, and I can sell them also. Okay, so I'm just taking whatever is the whatever. Okay, empty is equal to how many empty bottle I have. So how many empty bottle I have? So I can say that number of empty bottle right now I have with me, taking the mode with number of exchange, number of num exchange. So I'm taking mode over here, but this is the only thing you need to note down. Here I was dividing, here I'm taking mode. Why I'm taking mode? Because some bottles will be left. Some bottles will be left which are not exactly divided by 3. So to find out those bottles. I'm taking the mode. By taking this mode, only those bottles will be left which are not properly divided by 3. So that we can consider this bottle later on also. Okay, that's it. We will keep repeating this loop, and until unless a number of bottles will be finished, we will keep repeating this loop. And after coming out of this loop, we will return total number of drink bottle. That's it. Total number of drink bottle. Fine. Okay. I'm going through it. Any doubt in this? You please ask me. Otherwise, I'm taking. I'm asking you one more question. Okay. From that question, this will be much better clarity. Or more clarity will come actually. Okay. So now let's pose. This is the last question from here. Can you tell me? Okay, if number of bottles we have 11. If number of bottles we have 11. Initially we have number of bottles 11. Then how many maximum bottle we will drink? How many maximum bottle we will drink if number of bottles we have 11? Number of filled bottle we have 11. Then how many maximum bottle we will drink? We can, anybody if can answer. First two people reply, then I will try this same thing with the help of this code itself. With the help of this code, I will dry run this code for this example so that more clarity come. If anybody can reply. I will do the same thing with the help of this code. If anybody can tell me, okay, if total number of bottles are 11, then if total number of bottles are 11, then how many maximum bottles you will drink? Rama Prasad, Srijit, Rankat Stock says 16. So let's see if 16 is the right answer or not. Okay. So I'm just putting the value over here. Initially, we have total number of bottles are 11. Fine. I need to find out, okay, how many I will drink. So I'm going through the loop. Okay. Only 4 steps are here. This 1, 2, 3, 4 statements are here. We need to execute. So number of bottles, initially I was having the 16. Big Dream also says 16. Okay. So number of bottles, initially we have 11. Okay. Let me add 11. Fine. Drink value is 11. Let me write over here. Drink variable value is, Karthik also says 16. Fine. Okay. So I'm making dry run this code. Okay. Initially the drink value is 0 here. Now we add number of bottles in that. So number of bottles are 11. So we added. Fine. Okay. Now empty bottle, how many empty bottles we have? Let me write over here. Empty bottle also 11 now because we drink all of them. So we simply add empty bottle. Initially the empty bottle was 0. So 0 plus 11 is 11. After that, okay, I'm executing this statement. So third statement, number of bottles, how many number of bottles, filled bottles I can get? So simply divide 11 divided by 3. So 11 divided by 3 is, this is again 3. Okay. So number of filled bottle. So let me write over here, number of bottles. So initial were 11. Now we have updated it to 3. Okay. Now we have updated it to 3 by executing third statement. Now let's see the empty value, because we sell 9 bottles out of it, and how many will be left? 2 will be left actually. So how we find out this thing? 11 mod 3. How much will be the remainder? 2. So 2 empty bottles are left. 9 bottles we sell, and after selling 9 bottles, we purchase the 3 filled bottle. Fine. Okay. And now we come back to this loop again, and we are checking, okay, this number of bottles are not empty. Yes, still we have 3 filled bottle with us. Okay. And again we will repeat the same step. Now we will add these 3 bottles over here, whatever is the previous value. 11 plus 3 is 11 plus 3 will be there, And after that, okay, now previously we have two empty bottle and three we get more after selling. After drinking these three, we get three empty bottle more. Okay, so total empty bottle now we have five. We have five here. We have number of bottles. We have five now. Now we will see, okay, how many filled bottle we can purchase. Again, 5 divided by 3, so that is 1 only. One filled bottle we can purchase, and we will update it with 1. Okay, and how many empty bottle we have left with? So out of 5 we sell 3 and we left with 2. We left with 2 because after selling 3 we get one filled bottle. Again we will keep repeating this thing, so plus 1. Again drink this bottle also. After drinking this bottle we will left with 1 empty. We will add in this, so we will have three empty bottles now. Okay, and again we can sell them, so we can sell them for 1 filled bottle. Okay, and empty bottle will be left, filled bottle will be 1. We will drink that also. So total is how much? 11 plus 3 is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16. Yes, you people are right. So my motive here is was just to go through to dry run this code, okay, with the help of this example, and you have already given the 16 is the right answer. Yes, if total number of bottles you have 11 filled bottle, then maximum bottle you can drink is 16. Yes, let me try to code the same thing into the. Let me try to code the same thing into the. I'm going to the lead code. So I hope lead code screen is visible to you. So I just picked this problem from here. This is the same problem. There are number of bottles, water bottles that are initially full of water, and you can exchange empty bottles from the market with 1 full water bottle. Okay, and we need to the operation of drinking a full bottle, convert it into the empty bottle, and we need to find out the maximum number of water bottle which we can drink. Okay, so the same diagram even I have taken. Fine. Okay, let's try to code it. It's easy to code, simple. They provided us number of bottles, filled bottles, and with how many empty bottle we will get a filled bottle, that is also given, number of exchange. So now I'm taking a variable drink. Initially I have drink nothing, we have drink nothing, and initially the empty bottle is will also be nothing because we have not drink any bottle. And while until and even we have single filled bottle, we will keep executing. Okay, we will keep counting it. So number of bottle is showing me number of filled bottle. Number of bottles if is greater than 0, then I will keep adding them into my total drink bottles. Okay, so how many drink bottle? I can update my drink variable by adding the number of bottles, filled bottle we have. Number of filled bottles we have. Okay, number of bottles. Fine. And how many empty bottle we will be having? Empty bottle will be number of bottles we have drink actually. So num bottles. Same thing which I have written earlier. I am just writing the same thing over here. After doing this, we will sell the empty bottles. Okay, so how many? After selling empty bottle, we will get some filled bottles. So I'm updating my num bottles again, this variable again. So let's update this by empty bottle, empty divided by number of exchange. So this is telling me how many filled bottle we get. Okay, there might be a case that, okay, some empty bottle is still left because maybe this num exchange is not exactly dividing the total number of empty bottles. They are not exactly dividing. Maybe 10 divided by 3, then one bottle will be left. So to keep record of the remaining bottle, so we need to take the mode. So this mode will take care of that. So let me take this variable num exchange, copy over here. That's it. So this statement is taking care of the remaining bottles, remaining empty bottles, and we will keep executing this again and again. And after coming out of this loop, we will return number of drink bottles, number of drink. That's it. So let me submit this code. Yeah, it's working very fine. Any doubt in this, you people can ask me. Otherwise, please tell me what is the time complexity of this code. What is the time complex? How much time this will take? How much time this will take? Anybody? Let's see if anybody can answer this question or not. How much time this code will take to execute? Let's see if anybody can answer it. How much time this code will take to execute? So there is only one loop over here. How many times this loop is executing? Any idea coming to your mind, you can share. Any idea coming to your mind, you can share. How much time this code will take to execute? How much time this loop will take to execute? Let's see if you can, if you people can reply or not. So you think over it, okay, meanwhile, and I'm sharing the Java code. It's not a number of bottles, Karthik. Think again, Karthik. I'm not sharing with you. Uh, I can, I just want the answer from you people only. It's not depend upon number of bottles. Any idea? Any not number of bottles? No, not number of bottles. Think over it. Here is the loop. How many times this loop is executing? And meanwhile, I'm going through the Java code. These are same. Actually, Java and C++, the code is completely same. Okay, no, even not a single change. So let me share in Python now. So this is the Python code. Okay, and same thing, we are just taking a, okay, here we take the sum variable rather than drink, and empty is initially 0, number of empty bottles, number of drink bottle is also 0. Until we drink all the bottles, we are just adding the number of filled bottle to our sum, and counting the empty bottles and selling the empty bottles, and finding, okay, is there any empty bottle is left, by taking mode. That's it. Fine. Fine. Okay. The time complexity here will be actually log n for this problem. The reason is here is that, okay, you're dividing every time you're dividing number of bottles, you are dividing with the number of exchange. Okay. With this, you are every time you're dividing, and so because you are dividing every time, so the time complexity will be log n only. Even you can say the log n base number of exchange, log n base number of exchange actually. Okay, so the time complexity here will be log n for this. The reason is simple. We are dividing the number. We are dividing number of bottles by number of exchange. So log n is the time complexity. Okay. Log n is the time complexity. Fine. Okay. Now, okay. I hope this is clear to you. I hope this question is clear to you. So fine. Okay. We are moving to the second part of this session. Okay. I'm sharing a quiz with you people, and the quiz will be having the important questions. The quiz will be having the important questions from array. Okay. And if you can answer those questions, your base is ready actually in the array. Okay. Your base is ready. I'm sharing the quiz with you people. So, so the important part here is that the questions are very important. Okay, the questions which I will share in the quiz, you can note down even. These questions will be very important. Okay, the quiz, you can join the quiz by writing joinmyquiz.com. Okay, let me share this on the screen so that you can take it directly. So here is the quiz, and here is the code of the quiz. The questions asked in the quiz are very important, and even you are advanced learner, I can promise you, even you are advanced learner, I can promise you, you will get benefited from this quiz. You will get benefited from this quiz because all the questions are very very important, and some questions are like are the intuitions, means some questions are the intuitions which can come only after lots of experience. So you need to solve lots and lots of questions to know the stuff which I'm telling you through this quiz. Okay, so like finding the patterns in a problem, like when to apply, when to solve which type of problem. Okay, this type of questions I have also added, so you can find the patterns are shared with you. Even you don't answer them right, it's okay, just note down the questions, because those are giving you the question itself is the knowledge. Okay, the questions are is itself is the knowledge. So you can participate in the quiz. Uh, so you please participate in the quiz. You will find this quiz very helpful for you. Okay, I'm waiting for last 30 seconds. To participate in the quiz, click on the joinmyquiz.com and enter the code. Let's wait for last 30 seconds. The people who is appearing in this quiz first time, they can uh, they can fill the form also, so that in every quiz we have a cash reward, and so that I can transfer the cash reward to you. So okay, today I'm starting the quiz. Today we don't have that much candidates. Okay, I'm starting it now. So the questions are, let's see who will win today. Also, please share your contact number. You are participating from many times, so you must get reward. please share last three digits of your contact number. Please share in the chat section. Please share. Utsavi. Questions are more important. We are attempting right or wrong doesn't matter. Take the questions. These questions are important. Keep trying, everyone. 4 participants are here. Take the questions. Questions are more important. I think people have done. Okay, so I'm ending this quiz now. So fine. Okay, we have our winner Karthik Utsavi and Rankar Stocks. Congratulations. So important part. He again I'm repeating again and again that okay the questions are very important. Uh, and if you want these questions and all the material, then you can register for this course. This course is free of cost. You can go to the description and you will find out all this. Fine. Okay. So we have our winner Karthik and Utsavi. Utsavi, will you please share your contact number? Uh, have you shared it in the form? So please share the last three digits. Also, if you can share the last three digits only, last three digits. Let me unshare my screen so that I can check out in the form. Let me stop sharing. Go here and fine. Okay. So Utsvi, will you please share Karthik contact number? I already have with me. Karthik is the evergreen winner over here. Utsvi, will you please share last three digits? So, okay. Meanwhile, okay, I'm sharing the Karthik reward today. Today's Karthik is the winner. So Karthik, do you find the questions helpful? Karthik, do you find the questions helpful? Okay, fine. So let me wind up the session and so let me transfer the award. Oh, Utsuri is here, 64. Utsuri shares. Let me check Utsuri in the form. So you deserve actually, you are participating almost every session and performing good also actually. So I'm going to the form and checking the responses. So you share that number as last number 64. Just a minute. Oh, I get it. So let me transfer it to the Utsavi. Last quiz was very tough. Okay. So let me transfer the award to Utsavi this time. Just a minute. Yeah, I get. So continue. Yeah. So Sri, please confirm. I have transferred the amount. So please confirm at your end. I have transferred from my side. Okay. So this is your first reward. And Karthik is our evergreen winner. So let me transfer to the Karthik also. So Karthik, I done for you also. Please confirm, both of you. And that's it for today's session actually. That's it for today's session. My motive for this session, let me repeat once again. My motive for this series is to solve one man company problem. In every session, to solve one man company problem. Okay, maybe one problem is not making the big difference, but if you're covering the complete series, then 18 sessions are there, 18 problem will be covered. Okay, so definitely one by one, every time solving one problem will make the difference, and you will start, we are solving the problem from different topics. Okay, so definitely this will make impact. Second thing is that we are covering the basics of one topic with the help of the quiz. So you can take these questions, and these questions are, believe me, very important as a base for. So you can. This will help you to make sure that okay, your base is ready. Your base is ready. Okay, that's it. That's it from my side. We will meet on Monday with the next problem, with the next quiz. Bye bye. Take care.